In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload documents on DocuSign. Whether you're new to DocuSign or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident in your ability to upload and manage your documents. So let's dive right in and get started on this essential task. First, you want to begin by heading over to the DocuSign website. If you're not already logged into your account, take a moment to do so. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a series of options and a very user-friendly interface. This is your signer's dashboard, where all the magic happens. Next, look for the Start option. It's typically found on the upper part of your screen. Clicking on Start will present you with various options for initiating document processes. You'll want to select Sign a Document. This option allows you to begin the process of either signing a document yourself or preparing it for others to sign. Now, after you select Sign a Document, look towards the top of the page for the Upload button. Once found, give it a click. This action lets you choose how you want to get your documents into DocuSign. It's worth mentioning here that DocuSign allows connections with various document storage solutions to streamline the process. After you click on Upload, you might want to focus on uploading from your desktop. So click Desktop if your document is locally stored on your computer. This will open a File Explorer window where you can navigate to the document you wish to use. Make sure you've got everything ready beforehand, and if you haven't, scan through your files and locate the one you need. Additionally, DocuSign supports the use of templates for those common business documents you handle routinely. If this is your case, selecting Use a Template may save you time by using a predefined structure. Experiment with creating and saving templates for future ease of use. But what if your document resides not on your desktop, but in a cloud storage service? No problem at all. DocuSign integrates seamlessly with services like Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive. To upload from any of these sources, simply click on the corresponding option: Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. Once clicked, you may be prompted to sign into these accounts and authorize access, but from there, browsing and selecting your document is very straightforward. Going through these various methods ensures that, no matter where your files are stored, you have an efficient way to bring them into DocuSign. With these steps, uploading documents becomes a breeze, allowing you to focus more on managing your document flows and less on technical hurdles. So there you have it, all the different ways you can upload a document on DocuSign. By now, you should feel equipped to handle document uploading like a pro. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore these options to find the best workflow that suits your needs.